Hey, this is a quick library video tutorial on how to sign up and use MAckinVia, our district ebook reader. So first thing you need is the app. You can also sign on via a browser by going to MAckinVia.com. On any device, you can download this app on any device as well. On your school device, you'll need to go to self-service and download this app, MAckinVia. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up MAckinVia. You'll select Sign In. First thing you'll need to do is put in the name of our school, Apple Valley High School, and select it from the list and select Login. Now your login is going to be your regular login, your student ID number, and your regular password. Mine looks a little bit different, but yours will be your student ID number and your regular password that you use for Schoology, Colab, all of those things. But once in, you can start to search for a book and download whatever you like. There's a few things to note. Over on the left sidebar here, you can choose to look at categories or specifically ebooks or audiobooks if that's what you're looking for. And there are advanced search options here down at the bottom as well. I can always go up to the right and just search for a book. Let's search for popular one, The Hate You Give. Highly recommended, by the way. And we will see that there are two options. There's an audiobook and an ebook. The ebook currently is not available. You can see the red icon here and the 0 of 1 ebook available. But if I want, I can go over to the right and I can select Request, and it will put in that request for me, and when that book becomes available, it will drop it into my backpack, and you can read it, and we'll send you a notification if you have notifications set up here. But if I go up, I can see that the audiobook is available. So I'm going to start with the audiobook because that's awesome. And then when the ebook comes in, I will have that that I can read. So in order to do that, to check out a book, I want to click the actual checkout button over on the right. The Listen Now button gives you a preview, and you'll get 24 hours with it, but then somebody can come and check it out over the top of you. So what I recommend is if you know you want this book, make sure you select the checkout option. It will tell you that it expires in 20 days and 23 hours, and I can also from here download it directly to my device, which I highly recommend, so that you do not have to be on Wi-Fi in order to listen or read the book if it's an ebook. Okay? The other thing to note is when you come into the app, in order to get the books that you have that you've checked out in order to read, it says Welcome Andrew at the top, and a little icon of a backpack. That's where you can see your current checkouts and requests. Okay? So you can see that that ebook has been requested, and I can go to my checkouts where I can easily access the book that I'm currently reading. If you have any questions, feel free to stop by the library and we can help you out.